Are you alright? Don't lie. Yeah, I love doing what I do, and I do it for y'all. That's all. Nigga, I'm right. Gon' ride, gon' fly, gon' fly till the day I die. Gon' mind. Niggas gon' live it up. So can you niggas isn't gaming up? Because you niggas know I'm gon' give it up. And nigga, if you ever act tough, I'ma rip the guts. And nigga, you don't ever wanna hit me, cause live it up. And niggas, you don't ever wanna see me, I'm beat 'em up. Cause you niggas know I'm on. And nigga, you don't ever wanna stuck, cause I fall up. And you niggas wanna see me, but I'm gon' boss up. And I'm not bossy. And you niggas know what I'm coming through this shit, my nigga. And I'm gon' blow up. Oh man, nigga, go up. And you nigga wanna try to do this shit and oh up. When I come up in the game, I'm gonna have to blow up, grow up. Cause you niggas wanna slow up. I don't give a fuck because you niggas know I'm so yes, I'm so don't cry. Nigga, please don't ever act a G. I'm on the scene, and nigga, you don't ever wanna fucking hit with me. Because you know I'm in it to win it like I'm a king. And nigga, you don't ever wanna see me because it's pimpin' G. And nigga,